Hi foodies, I've done this recipe a million times, but I'm gonna do it again. 2 ingredients, any plant-based yogurt, as long as it says live active cultures on the back. Any plant-based yogurt. The cleaner, the better, obviously. I use Silk. It's not the cleanest, but it's just a minuscule amount. You're gonna use 3 tablespoons and 1 entire carton of 32 ounces of soy milk. The cleanest one that I have found is Eden Soy with the best content of protein, which makes it creamier and it gives it more protein. Plus, it's the most neutral tasting that I've found. I take the 3 tablespoons and I'm going to put them into my container here where I'm going to mix everything. As you notice, this one is a peach flavor. That is not going to be in the way of your yogurt making. It's not going to flavor it. It's not going to taste like peach. You are going to find the peach bits in it if it has fruit in it. If you don't like that, use a vanilla or a plain yogurt. But any yogurt that is plant-based, it has to say live active cultures. That is the only trick to this. Then I'm going to take, and I'm going to show you a bonus tip at the end. I'm going to take the stirred up mixture of the 3 tablespoons of the plant-based yogurt with the 32 ounces of soy milk, and I'm going to put them in my mason jars. The mason jars are clean, but they're not sterilized. I divide it either equally, oops, and I just spilled. I divide it either equally, or I take an 8-ounce jar and I use an 8-ounce jar to make it. So I'm just gonna wipe this down. I'm gonna put this in here. You're not going to put any water in the bottom of your Instant Pot. You're not going to put a towel. You're not going to fill it with water. You're not going to put the tops on your yogurt jars. You're just going to lay them in the Instant Pot. You can use your Instant Pot glass lid or any lid from any pot, or you can take your regular Instant Pot lid and put it on top. You do not have to seal it. You do not have to twist it. Just lay it on top. Press the yogurt button. And then just make sure that you have it at 18 hours. Yogurt button, 18 hours, let it go. Tomorrow it will be done. So I have a little bit of yogurt left here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a half a scoop of chia seeds in here. And I'm going to fill the container back up. There's only half of the Silk yogurt left. And I'm going to fill up the container up to the top with soy milk. And I'm going to have a nice little snack for me tomorrow or later tonight that's going to thicken up because of the chia seeds. And you just put it in the refrigerator and you have a nice little snack, and the rest of the yogurt does not go to waste. Now, if you don't want to do that because the Silk yogurt is not 100% whole food plant-based, then don't. It's just being used as a culture for you then. But I do like that nice little snack. So hope you guys enjoy the recipe. It could not be easier. Like I said, no water in the pot, no towels in the bottom of the pot. Do not put the lids on your jars until your soy yogurt is done. When your soy yogurt is done, it's going to come out to a nice white yogurt that is going to be as thick as Greek yogurt. Ooh, let's see if I can open this. And you're going to stick it in the fridge and it's going to get even thicker. So I keep my white yogurt so that I can make tzatziki, so that I use it in recipes, so that I can use it in sauces. And then I usually keep a jar mixed in with chia seeds. So I take 1 12-ounce jar and I put 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, mix it really well, stick it back in the fridge, let them bloom, and that is usually what I have for breakfast. Okay, foodies, have a happy day.